Welcome back guys, Mark here. In June, Adobe released few changes in Lightroom. Per my view, very good changes. Today I'm going to show you the best two of them and of course how to use them in practice. Let's go to the Lightroom. Okay, so the first biggest change is the amount slider. Amount slider can work on both, I mean on presets and on masking. And I'm going to show you. If you are using preset, and for example my Moody One preset here, okay, you could see that I clicked on that and changes got applied. So far this is the same situation like before. Before we could decide if we're using preset or not, and if we used preset, we could impact on particular sliders from particular sections to modify the preset. But right now we are getting another option. We can go here and we have amount slider. So we can move left and right and we can decide how strongly the whole effect will impact on our picture. So if we are absolutely left, so this is like 0, so totally no impact. And if we are going right, we are making that effect stronger and stronger. Okay, so 100 is like in the past, but we have also opportunity to go further, so we can enhance that effect. Okay, so I think this is very useful. So I think for that picture something around 100 is okay, and still of course we have opportunity to change particular sliders. But what you need to remember is that if you decide to change something, like for example clarity, then we are using access to that slider. Preset got applied with the amount we decided, and we are losing options to do further modifications. Okay, it makes sense. Let's see second example. Let's use again the preset, this time maybe Moody 2, and we are moving. Okay, left and right. Okay, I think something like that is okay. So exactly the same like previously. Okay, but what else I would like to show you is the masking. As you can see here, we have few masks, and for example this mask. Of course, as previously, we can impact on every particular slider here separately, but a part of that we are getting amount slider. So what it means, we are having opportunity to impact on the whole level. In that case, this mask is simulating some kind of light. Okay, and by default it was 100%. If we would like to decrease it, we are going left. If we would like to increase it, we are going right. So this is also a very interesting option available right now. Still, we're talking about first biggest change from June upgrade in Lightroom. And let's go to the second right now. The second biggest change in the last upgrade from Lightroom is how we can use artificial intelligence. I mean, we could use it in the past as well, but we could use it only for particular pictures, and right now we are getting great opportunity to create one time and use it many times, as we can copy it or we can create the presets. So I'm going to show you what I mean. So let's use artificial intelligence, masking, plus, and select subject. Okay, so Lightroom found her, great, and let's invert it. Okay, and right now we marked everything but not her. Great. Let's do some changes. So maybe let's try to make the background blurry. Okay, I went down with texture, maybe a bit with clarity and with sharpness as well. Okay, maybe something like that. And again, you can see I'm of course can again use the amount slider. Okay, cool. But what is the difference? The difference is that right now I can use it many times. By the way, if you are interested how you can blur background to give it really nice professional look, you can watch my other video. Link should be visible right now. Okay, so as mentioned, so far no big changes. We used artificial intelligence, but what we are doing, let's change the name, blurry 1, okay, and let's copy it. So I'm going here, right click, develop settings, copy settings, and I'm interested only in that mask. Okay, I'm checking it, copy, and going to another picture, different picture, and I'm hoping it will work. Okay, and I'm going to develop settings again and paste settings. So you can see what had happened. Lightroom used it and applied, and again artificial intelligence found the subject and inverted the mask, and we applied the effect. Again, of course, we can use that new amount slider to make it stronger or weaker. Okay, but copy the mask is one thing, but we can go even further. We can create the preset. So let's click here, create preset, and we can do that really simple. Let's call it blurry 1, and let's take only that mask. Okay, create. Okay, preset got created, and let's see if it works. Okay, another picture, and I'm going to click blurry. You can see subject has been found really nicely, and mask got inverted, and everything what we set up earlier got applied. So I can go left, no impact, and right, full impact. Okay, cool. So I think this is really powerful, and I'm taking both changes as really beneficial, and I think it was really good change with July release. I hope it was useful for you. If you are interested to learn how to create blurry background in Lightroom, then please check my other videos. I really appreciate if you click like button and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like that in the future. Thank you very much, guys.